Hi, I'm John Fitzpatrick, the owner and sole driving instructor at Learn to Drive Driving School. When you book a lesson with Learn to Drive, you're not getting a random instructor, you're learning directly from me, the owner of the business. With years of experience in the road transport industry, I'm a qualified facilitator and coach for the Transport for New South Wales Safer Driver course and an approved older driver assessor. I offer more than just driving lessons. I provide tailored instruction based on your needs. My structured driving lessons ensure you learn everything you need to know to pass the driving test first go.
I love the way the lessons are structured as they target areas that you want to have targeted, such as reverse parking, blind spot checking, just indicating all the basics, and they also just help you to understand the road rules more. I would highly recommend it.
Booking your driving lessons has never been easier. With our convenient online booking system, you can schedule lessons anytime, anywhere. Simply choose your nearest Service New South Wales test location and book in just a few clicks.
Hi, my name's Sienna. I chose to drive with Learn to Drive Driving School because it was easy to book online and a lot of my friends also recommended it.
What sets Learn to Drive apart is my extensive qualifications and the exclusive Better Way training program. Every lesson is tailored to your individual skill level and learning style, so you get more out of every single lesson. At Learn to Drive, we offer practice driving tests conducted under exam conditions. As an approved NDIS provider, I offer specialised driver training for people with learning or physical difficulties. My vehicle is fully equipped with both electronic and mechanical aids, ensuring every student receives the support they need to drive safely and with confidence. With nationally recognised qualifications, I design personalised training programs tailored to your individual needs, so you can learn at your pace in a way that works for you. As an approved older driver assessor, I help senior drivers retain their independence by offering guidance and driving tests in a supportive and stress-free environment. My goal is to help you feel comfortable and prepared on the road when driving. Here at Learn to Drive, I understand the unique challenges of driving in busy areas such as High Street Penrith. My extensive experience ensures learners gain the confidence and skills they need to drive safely in all driving conditions. Bringing the perfect balance of calm and focus to every lesson, my teaching approach is designed to guide you smoothly through your driving journey, ensuring you build the skills and confidence you need to pass the driving test first go. Whilst you will not drive past Penrith Panthers during your driving test, you may drive past the Penrith Paceway during your driving test. Having a driving instructor that knows what is in the driving test and how the examiners mark the driving test will help you prepare for the big day. When you arrive at Service New South Wales Penrith for your driving test, it is reassuring to know that your expert driving instructor has taught you everything you need to know to pass your driving test on the first attempt.